making a homemade blizzard with Jell-O, milk, and cream. And then after you put all those ingredients, put it in the freezer for 24 hours. And then after that, toss it in the creamy cup. And then put it inside the creamy. Turn on the creamy and then put it on light ice cream. So after the light ice cream runs, you're gonna hit the respin. Sorry. Okay, it's now it's time to put the mix-ins in. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Perfect hole. These are Reese's Pieces. So now just close it back up. Okay, and then put it back into the machine. Then you hit mix in, and then wait. Okay. This thing, I barely even know how to use it. Let's scoop some out. Put it into my bowl. One more scoop because this is probably really good. And now let's try this yummy ice cream. It's pretty good. It's not the best ice cream, but it's pretty good. Okay, so I'll see you later. Bye-bye.